We need knowledge and training in all survival techniques to meet our needs in case we found ourselves in an emergency situation. One of the skills we need to know is how to start a fire. Fire is very important in a survival situation. It can meet many of our basic needs. There are many different ways to start a fire. We need to know all the possible ways that we can start a fire, and we have to use the most appropriate technique for the situation we are in. One of the techniques we can use to start a fire is a magnifying glass. To start a fire with a magnifying glass, we're gonna need, of course, sunlight, the right technique, and last, the right tinder. It is not possible to start a fire using all types of tinders. I believe that the best and the most effective way to start a fire using a magnifying glass is to carry a ready-made tinder that already know that our magnifying glass can start a fire with it. If we do not have a ready-made tinder, we will have to look for one from the surrounding environment. In this case, it is not certain that we will succeed. It will be very difficult to start a fire. I discovered that the two best artificial tinders for a magnifying glass are gunpowder and the powder of a match. As you saw in the video intro, both of these tinders light up in a second and create direct flame. The problem is that the flame goes out very quickly, so I'm thinking of placing the match and the gunpowder inside in a waxed cotton ball tinder. So when the gunpowder light up, it will also light up in the waxed cotton tinder. In this way, we'll be able to keep the flame active for the time it takes for the goods to light up. Of course, my friends, I would like to adapt the tinder to my Swiss Army knife because it includes a magnifying glass. So I will be prepared for a survival situation. So my friends, as you saw, this type of Tinder, it works perfect. I believe that it is one of the best survival Tinders because it is too effective and it can light up with any possible way using a lighter, a fire steel or even a magnifying glass. I don't know if already exists a fire Tinder that can start a fire directly with a magnifying glass. In case if you don't have a Swiss Army knife with a magnifying glass, you can add this type of Tinder in your survival kit just in case. So my friends, tell me your opinions about. I hope to join the today's video. Until the next one, stay safe. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching.